This is the princely state symbol of Voldemort the Great. The insignia derives from the seal trident of Voldemort, the Grand Prince of Kiev, Ukraine's capital city. Hold on, Voldemort? No, sorry, Voldemir, my fault. Can we do that again? The subject of this Flags in 50 Seconds is the Ukraine, the simple blue and yellow representing the sky and wheat fields, but we have to go back more than 1,000 years to find its origins. The powerful state of Kievan Rus, which was in existence between mid-800s to mid-1200s, used a trident head as its symbol, as flags weren't really a thing at that point. A symbol that was to be resurrected during both the independence of 1918 and again in 1991. The first national flag of Ukraine, however, was adopted during the 1848 revolution. This version was yellow over blue. The first time the current flag appears is after World War I in 1918. Between 1922 and 1991, Ukraine was under Soviet rule and had a number of different flags until finally independence again in 1991. However, the national flag did manage to creep into use a year before. The simplistic with historic past flag of the Ukraine, and one of my favourites.